Today I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to wall surf. So what you're supposed to do, you're gonna come to this crack, or you could go behind here. So what you're supposed to do, you're gonna jump to the ice. Try to get put your hand parallel to the wall. So then you go really high. Try to get hang of it, or you could put your hand like this so it goes and faces upwards, so you go upwards. After you've done that many times, like 1,000 or something, try to jump and go forwards. Try to put your hand up so you go higher, and when you get to high level, the highest you can, try to put your hand like this, because if not it stops going like this. Try to just put your hand parallel flat. So many times doing this many times, you can come to a wall that's more straight, like this one. So practice on that one and just run back and practice, because it's more straight up. So after you've done that and practiced 30 minutes or something, you can get to this wall. This is where you start surfing on the ground. So you're gonna have this, and you steer like this. You see? You go like this, it steers then, and when you go this way, it steers that. So I just need to get up here. Wait. So when you get here, try to jump over that crack to do the things I taught you, and then you jump over this to try to put your hand parallel to the wall so you can surf like this, or you could go higher by doing this. So after that, let's teach you how to get to the target, for example. So you can go to this fan, go to the fan, and then you see this gap of that gap of tiny ice, like this. You see here? Try to hit gently, not so hard, gently. Then you start flying up. Try to hit when you come here, and then when you start surfing down, try to hit over that. Try to go here, and if you're not so good at jumping, you can just try your best, and then you jump, and then after that you start surfing on the wall. So you're supposed to hit on that corner, so then you start flying up. So after you come here to the spot, you need to hit hard. So then you start flying up, and I can show you what I mean by doing everything I told you. Go here, hit gently, hit there, then hit and land over there like this. Try to come here if you want or something, and then I'm doing it so wrong. And then try to get over this slide, and don't go over that platform, just try to go over the slide, so you go in the middle of them. So, and then you fly here, you see here, go hit that corner. So I've done this before, not the tutorial, but I've watched a video of someone doing what I told. So then you hit here, here, and then you try your best to hit here, and then go middle of here, hit hard. Try to grab on here, like this. So now you get to tutorial. So you can just jump down if you want, or you can stay on there if you're so happy you got up there. But so yeah, the video is soon done. I can just show you something. I'm gonna hit secret tunnel first try, bruh. No, I just forget it. Okay, bye-bye.